Does justice truly prevail when corruption seeps into the very system meant to uphold it? It's a question worth pondering. Now consider the judicial system of Pakistan. A myriad of factors contributes to the concern of corruption within it. Firstly, political interference. The sway of politics can compromise the independence of the judiciary, where appointments become a game of political favoritism instead of merit, leading to a perceived bias. Secondly, a lack of transparency. When judicial proceedings lack transparency, corruption finds a breeding ground. Limited public access to information, behind closed doors decisions, and undisclosed financial interests can all spur suspicion. Then there's delayed justice. Long-drawn court proceedings and justice served cold, if at all, create an environment ripe for corruption. Bribery can become tempting and faith in the system may wane. Resource constraints also come into play. Understaffing, underfunding, and insufficient infrastructure can make the system vulnerable, opening it up to external pressures. Weak accountability mechanisms contribute too. Without robust oversight to keep judges in check, maintaining the integrity of the judiciary becomes a daunting task. Cultural and societal factors also have a role. When societal norms and cultural practices tolerate or even accept corruption within the legal system, it becomes all the more prevalent. The effectiveness of legal reforms is another factor. If anti-corruption laws lack teeth or their enforcement is weak, corruption runs rampant. Judicial training and education also matter. Without continuous professional development and ethical training, judges may find themselves ill-equipped to handle complex ethical dilemmas. The public's perception of the judiciary is crucial. If the judiciary is seen as corrupt or biased, trust in the legal system erodes, affecting its overall effectiveness. Finally, international factors. Geopolitical considerations and international pressures can compromise the independence of the judiciary. In summary, corruption within the judicial system is a multi-headed monster. Addressing it requires a comprehensive strategy that includes institutional reforms, enhanced transparency, stronger accountability mechanisms, and an unwavering commitment to the rule of law. It's a complex issue with each factor intertwined with the next. To truly understand and address it, we must delve deep into specific cases and contexts. Remember, a society's faith in its judicial system is a cornerstone of its stability, and maintaining that faith, that's a responsibility we all share.